wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Rani Sulistya Utami and you can call me Rani. Today I will explain you about improving students' vocabulary mastery by using puzzle. Let's begin. Background. English is taught from elementary school to university. English is communicate in spoken and written, while in communicate needs the mastery of vocabulary. But many students don't master vocabulary well because they are unmotivated and inactive during learning process. Next, theory. Vygotsky that young children learn language from word to word. Second, Willis defines the sequence of the activities teaching learning vocabulary in the classroom as follows. First, pre-task. Pre-task is the teaching introduce the topic by using a puzzle and give example how to use puzzle in study language. Second, task cycle. There are 3 stages which are conducted by student. A. Task. The student do the task. B. Planning. The student prepare to present the result where the students are asked to tell how they do the task in puzzle and what the outcome is. C. Report. The student present their task of the puzzle orally or writing and compare notes on what has happened. Third, language focus. A. The teacher observes the student's task, the puzzle. B. The teacher guides practice activities and reflection of the task is done. Next, method. The model of action research is developed by chemist and Mr. Taggart. Concise 4 aspects. First, planning. Planning is develop a plan of critically informed action to improve what is already happening. Second, action. Act to implement the plan. Third, observation. Observation is observe the effect of the critically informed action in the context in which it occurs. 4. Reflection. Reflection is reflect on this effect as the basic for further planning, subsequent critically informed action through succession of steps. Result. The research was conducted at the 6th grade class of SD Negeri Sidoarjo II Sragen. There were 2 cycles in teaching vocabulary to the student. First cycle, implementation puzzle in the class. First is planning. The teacher prepare material based on LKS, book, and internet that design using crossword puzzle and appropriate the syllable. The topic was public place and transportation. Next, action. Action is teaching vocab was implemented by puzzle. They did vocabulary individually, in pair, and in small group. Before beginning the lesson, teacher also give example how to use puzzle in the class and also give exercise to be done individually, in pairs, and in small groups. Next is observation. In implementation, some students were enthusiastic and happy to listen. However, there were some students tended to pronounce the word like it's writing. Some of them were also still shy to join the class. Next is reflection. After observing there was improvement of student achievement and response. The students' mean score improves from pre-test 4,34 into post-test 7,89. In the second cycle, researchers chose another puzzle which was combined with drilling. First is planning. Same with first cycle, the teacher preparing materials, media puzzle, and student exercise. Next is action. The second conducted in two meetings on 22 and 29 March. Next, observation. When doing jigsaw puzzle combined with drilling, the student more enthusiastic and their pronunciation improved gradually. They were not shy again. And the next result, the student mean score of the second cycle was more improved in pre-test 4,34, post-test 7,89, and second post-test 88,99. Okay, the last is conclusion. The researcher, which aims to increase the student vocabulary mastery by puzzle. The researchers can be conclude that teaching vocabulary by puzzle improves students in four aspects. First, the students will grasp the meaning easier. Second, the student easily use the word in the context. And next, the student made fewer mistakes in spelling words. And then next, the student pronunciation improved gradually. Thanks for your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.